Hey friends, here's how you can make custom labels with the Cricut Joy. Open up Cricut Design Space on your phone and create a new project. Add a text box and choose your favorite font. Type out your labels and resize them to fit your bins. I like to make mine 4.5 inches or less. Click Make and choose your material. I'm using the Smart Removable Vinyl made for the Joy. Load in your vinyl, you don't even need a mat, and press Go to start cutting. After you unload it from the Joy, make a clean cut at the bottom with a paper cutter and start weeding out the negative space. Now we have our labels weeded. Lay a piece of transfer tape on top and use a scraper tool to smooth it flat. Trim it down into individual labels and pull out your bins. Remove the paper backing and lay your transfer tape and vinyl onto the bin. Use the scraper tool to go over several times with light pressure. Peel off the transfer tape and voila, you have custom labels. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!